I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your Apple gift card. So by redeeming your Apple gift card, you can buy anything at Apple. Like let's say your Apple gift card is worth $10. After you redeem that $10, that $10 is gonna be saved on your Apple ID. And with that Apple ID, you can buy anything worth $10 on the Apple Store. Alright. So with that out of the way, I think you know what Apple, gift card is gonna do. Now let me show you guys how you guys can redeem it. And in order to redeem it, you need to have iTunes installed on your PC. How you guys can do that is just like, click on this Windows icon at the bottom corner of the screen and go on versus Microsoft Store. Once you go on Microsoft Store, wait until it opens up. Once it opens up at the top, you wanna search for iTunes. Now after you search for iTunes over here, iTunes is gonna show up over here. Once iTunes shows up, you can download it. After you download it, you can log in into your account. Here's gonna be an install button, but since I've already downloaded it, it's gonna show me open. Once you install and log in into your iTunes account, what you need to do is go on your Chrome or any search engine you want, and you wanna write APPLE Apple Gift Card REEDE and redeem. Once you search for Apple Gift Card redeem, you wanna click on how to redeem your Apple gift card. It's gonna take you to this website. Over here, you can see how you guys can redeem your gift card on your Apple's phone over here. But for PC, you can just click on redeem your gift card and wait for some time, and it's going to ask you to open your iTunes. So click on open iTunes. Your iTunes will automatically open up, so wait for some time. And if your iTunes doesn't open up, you can just like open up manually as well by searching for it and opening. Once you're over here, you need to enter your Apple ID and your passport and click on sign in. So do that. I'm going to do that. Now once it opens up, wait for some time. And over here, you need to enter your gift card's code. So whichever digit and number and symbol is given in your gift card, type it over here, click on redeem, and your gift card will be redeemed. So yeah, that's how you guys can redeem your gift card.